Yo, what's up guys? So today we have a pretty special video because today we're going to be dropping off the 2019 Camaro SS to get a heads and cam package at Excessive Racing Engines in Pearland, Texas. Alright guys, so right now the car is making around 470 to the wheels and it's got hold on, almost.
Oh.
Let me get it. Pick it up. Hey. So anyways guys, the car is making around 470 to the wheels right now, and it's got a little RotoFab intake action. Oh, all kinds of wet right here. It's got E85 flex fuel sensor. It's got, let's see if y'all can see, it's got some Texas speed headers down there, and of course it's tuned, and right now it's making around 470 to the wheels. And we went with the stage 3.5, stage 3-ish Texas speed cam, and then we went with LT1 ported and polished heads. So we're hoping to add around 95 to 100 wheel horsepower. Alright guys, so we're about to head over to Excessive Racing Engines down in Pearland, and I got my boy Christian right here in his beautiful 2015 Mustang GT. And you already know it's a 6-speed. The 6-speed manual 2015 Mustang. But so we're about to head over there right now, and we'll do one last cold start with the stock cam and the stock head. So why don't you do the honors for us, sir? Give her a little go. It is a she's pretty loud. She's pretty rowdy right now, so it's gonna be crazy with the cam. So that was the last cold start with the stock cam and stock heads on this on the stock LT1 motor. So like I said guys, she's making around 470 to the wheels right now, and we're looking to gain about, I would say, 95 to 100 depending on well, that's because we went with the Texas Speed stage 3.5 cam, and so we're going with that, and we're going with LT1 ported heads. So we're looking to gain quite a bit of power. And the reason I went with a stage 3 Texas Speed, stage 3-ish cam, was because I really daily drive this car, and I take it to college and back and forth, and then sometimes on the way to college or on the way back, traffic does get kind of hot, so I didn't want something too aggressive like a GPI stage or GPI track attack or even the GPI stage 4. Because honestly, I've read a lot on the Camaro forums, and I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and asked around, and those cams are just really too big to be daily driving, and the car bucks and surges a lot. So that's why we went with the stage 3.5-ish cam, because it's gonna be making great power, and it's gonna have a perfect lope, and it's still kind of driver friendly. It's not as aggressive as a GPI, you know, track attack or stage 4. So those are the mods we're going with. So let's get on the road right now to Excessive Racing Engines, and I'll see you on the road, guys. Oh wait, I gotta get a cold start of Mr. Christian's Mustang. Hold on, let's see this. Hey! She sounds pretty good. Yay! A lot deeper than my car. My car is really raspy because of the headers and the fact that it has no cats or no mufflers. But there's this car. He's gonna be following me there so he can take me back home. And then she's going in, guys. Heads and cam. I'm so excited. But I'll see you on the road, guys. You already know. Oh, hello. So we had to make a quick little pit stop at Stripes. And focusing on the wrong thing, that's not what I was supposed to do. But we had to make a little quick stop at Stripes so I can get some what is it called? Some Red Bull action. Cause I've been up all night, people. I had a class at I had class early in the morning at 9, and so I just decided to stay up and not go to sleep, which was a not smart an idea, but oh well, it is what it is. You have a mask? Oh, stay safe, people. Stay safe. Oh, got so many options right here. This one. I don't know if I want one of those. What you think, boys? Oh, I'm just get a little Red Bull action.
Red Bull sponsor me.
Red Bull sponsor me, boys. Sponsor me, Red Bull. First video had wow. But yeah, guys, like I had said earlier, we went with the stage 3-ish cam from Texas Speed, and we also went with LT1 ported and polished heads, which is their cam package, which is like their whole DOD cam, all the good, all their whole package. And the reason we went with the Texas Speed stage 3-ish cam is because I do daily drive the car, take it to college, and traffic does get kind of hot. So I wanted a cam which was big, but also kind of daily drivable. So that's why we went with this. I was really looking at getting a GPI track attack cam. Either that or their stage 4 GPI stage SS4, whatever, you know what I'm saying? That cam, but I had heard from a lot of people that that cam is really aggressive, and it's kind of a pain to daily drive. So I didn't want that. And the crazy part is, I had went over to Excessive Racing Engines. I don't know what I just did on, but I went over there a couple weeks. It was 2 weeks ago, and we had ordered the parts on Monday. And the parts are usually supposed to get here: the whole cam, the cam kit, the DOD, the Trinian kit, and the ARP head bolts. Which we went with all of those because if we were going to do the cam kit, if the engine's being torn apart, we might as well do all the upgrades with it, because why not? It's just, I think it's just dumb. If your whole engine's gonna be torn apart, you might as well add all the upgrades you can to it. That's also why we went with the heads, because right now we are pretty much paying for just the heads. You're not paying for labor at all, which is really nice. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, so the kit, whole kit, cam kit, and all the little training upgrades, all that stuff was supposed to get here in 3 to 5 days, but since because of the virus, they were on back order on custom grind cams, so it actually ended up taking 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks to get here. I had contacted Texas Speed, and they told me that because of the virus that everything's on back order, and especially their custom grind cams. So we had to wait a little longer, but that's okay, because it's still getting done in the end. But it just sucks because I was hoping to get everything done at a certain time, but then the cam kit never arrived. But oh well, at least it's getting done right now. Alrighty, boys, check it out. You have arrived. Here we are, Excessive Racing Engines. As you can see, they got, let me see if this will focus. They got one C6, one C7, two C7s. Let me turn this on, another C6, another C7, another C7. And then there's Christian right there. Sorry, the lens got all foggy. It's really humid outside. Hold on, give me like half a second, I'll fix it. Should be fixed. There's Christian right there. And there's the rest of the Corvettes. So as you can see, they do a lot of LT and LS work. So we have made it, boys. We're gonna go inside and talk to the man Frankie, and I'll see if I can get the parts. If he can get the parts out, so I can take a picture and record the parts too. So I'll try to record the best as I can. I don't really want to shove the camera in Frankie's face while he's talking to me. I think that's kind of rude. So I'm gonna talk to him, and then I'll see if I can record the parts, guys. Here it is, boys. We're leaving the car.
About to get T-boned.
Hey, don't get T-boned. Man, can't see the car no more. There it is. Alright, but anyway, so we dropped the car off. I was unable to show y'all the parts because they were somewhere back there is what he said. And I have already seen the parts before. I was just gonna show it to y'all on camera, but
it didn't work out.
Yeah, it didn't work out yet because it wasn't there. So we dropped the car off. They're gonna start working on it today because I want my car back. But they're gonna start working on it today. We should get it back in 3 to 4 days, and today is what, Tuesday, so we should get it back before Saturday, before the weekend. So either Thursday or Friday. So, but yeah, guys. So stage 3 cam, ported heads, push rods, lifters, trinion kit, ARP head bolts, everything, all that good stuff. Car's gonna be making some power. So
I don't know how to get home.
About almost stalled. Take a right and just keep going right. But anyway, so I'm gonna end the video here. Y'all stay tuned. Watch out for the next video that's gonna be coming. That's gonna be of us picking up the car. So, might need to shift there, pal. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Be sure to stay safe. Hold on. Be sure to wear your mask for protection. That's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.